Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the process of myself changing a watch battery on this watch. This is a watch by the company The U. And I'm going to be changing the battery because, as you can see, the second hand is no longer moving, so the battery is no longer working. Now here's the back of it. Now here's the thing, I actually popped off the back of it prior to making this video because it was giving me a little bit of difficulty, but what I did was the back was on and I used this watch pry tool to actually get the back off. You can see I kind of scratched it up a bit because it did give me a little bit of difficulty, but then I got it off. So this is what the back looks like when it's off. And as you can see right here, when we look inside of the actual watch, you can see this little white plastic piece. Now, the first thing that you want to do, and this is going to be very similar for the majority of watches that you are replacing the battery for, what you want to do first is you want to remove this little white plastic piece. So we're just going to go ahead and remove it. You want to try and avoid touching many of the things inside of the watch. Just try and keep anything metal like this away from any of the electronic parts inside of the watch. Now, other than the battery and the things around the battery, you just want to be careful for the most part. As you can see right here, this is what the battery looks like. Now, I actually have a replacement battery for it right here. The replacement for this watch is 377. But that's not going to be, that might not be the case for every watch or for every watch by The U. It's just the case for this specific watch. Now what you want to do is you want to remove the battery. So there's the battery right there. I'm going to place the watch down. I'm going to try and do this nice and easily. You really want to just get the battery out while holding the movement in place, so you don't want to damage anything. That's the key factor. Some batteries are easier to remove than others. This one is fairly simple, just like that. So I'm placing the old battery right there. Now I have the new battery right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the new battery in place, making sure that it's oriented in the right way. For this specific case, what you're looking at is the positive side of the battery. That goes face up for me. Now the face of the watch is here, but when you're looking at the back, I'm going to be installing it with the positive side up. That's the way this one is. Like I said, might not be the case with every watch, but the majority of watches that I've worked with, it's like that. So I'm just going to use my fingers, and what you want to do is you want to try and get it in place, and there might be a special way to do it. For this one, it seems to be that you have to get it underneath that little tab and then slide it. Now, hopefully you can catch this on camera, but we're going to get it underneath the tab just like that. We're going to slide it in place. And before I actually do anything else, I always like to just make sure that it's working properly. So we're going to turn it around. As you can see, the second hand is indeed working. So what I'm going to do next is take this little plastic protector. We're going to place it down in place. You can see there's an opening there. That's where the stem goes right there. That connects to the crown piece. Okay. Once that's in place, you're then going to go ahead and put the back on. I'm not going to do that in this video because I can foresee that it might cause me a little bit of trouble because it was so hard to get off. It might cause me some trouble, but I am going to use this watch press right here to sort of get this backing in place. But, you're going to use the appropriate tool to get the back in place, and you're going to obviously want to make sure that it's oriented properly. So I'm going to make sure that it's nice and straight the way that it was before, and just use the watch press to get it down in place properly. But that's it. In this video, I've shown you the process for replacing the battery in a watch by The U. Very simple process, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.